We have a Gua Sha made out of buffalo horn, and just continuing to do the process like I saw from some folks on Instagram who know a thing or two about shoes from the Hiro Yanamigachi workshop. Work this into shell cordovan. Now what I'm doing is I'm using pure polish, water resistant cleaner as we do this. And these navy shoes now. The toes on this are actually pretty clean. So what we're gonna do is we're gonna just take a brush and brush them. Now I haven't brushed these at all since I cleaned them. You can see it's got a nice dull shine to it. There's a couple spots here though, so I really want to get those spots. I've used deer bone and sleeking bone and everything else for this. I've never used a Gua Sha, which is really made for, you know, facial care for it. I thought it was a good idea. Now this water resistant cream is activated by a little bit of water. So how do we do that? Okay, so just a little bit of water on the brush. Look at that. Nice, clean shine. Take that, a little bit of water. Super clean. Pure polish, water resistance cleaner, and just a really good solid clean all the way around. And here you can see I have the contrasting tongue and contrasting laces to match.